how to apply for new product or services such as loans or savings account through the Barclays app. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to apply for new product or services such as loan or savings account through the Barclays app. So you can apply for a new product or services such as loans or savings account through the Barclays app. Now Barclays often provides a seamless digital experiences for customer to apply for various financial products directly from their mobile banking app. Here's how you can do it. First of all, go ahead and open up your application and then log in into your account. Then when you're logged in, look for an option within the app menu or home screen to explore product or services. These options may be labeled as products or apply for product or something similar. And once you've accessed the product section, you should see a list of available financial products and services offered by Barclays. This may include loan, savings account, credit and mortgage and more, and choose a specific product or services you're interested in applying for. And for example, if you wish to apply for personal loan or open a savings account, select the corresponding option from the list, and before applying you can review the details of the selected product or services, including the feature, benefit, terms and condition, all that. And you can go ahead and complete the application form and submit the application confirmation and all that. And that's how you can apply for new product or services in the Barclays app. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next